When you define what success looks like for you in that way, then it makes it really easy to make decisions about how you spend your time. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is so good. Such a good snack. So, I quit jujitsu. Well, I didn't really quit jujitsu. I just can no longer attend at the frequency I was attending jujitsu. Almost a year ago now, I started jujitsu. It was a fun thing to pick up and a discipline to kind of start to add to my list of exercise. And I used to want to be a Power Ranger, and I always wanted to work towards a black belt. So I kind of started that. I was doing pretty good. My brother got me involved. We went together and I got my first stripe. That basically means that you've attended more than 5 classes. Anyways, it got me thinking. I was really passionate about it when I started, and I still am. I still really want to do that. But in this moment, in this season, I can't afford to prioritize jujitsu over the other things on my list. The reason for that is that I've gotten very specific in my business, and then in a larger sense, my life, and I've really decided what it is I'm working towards over the next year, 3 years, and 10 years. When you define what success looks like for you in that way, then it makes it really easy to make decisions about how you spend your time, who you spend your time with, and what sort of things you prioritize. And I was kind of sad about it until I realized that I'm working towards making my business something that works for me, not something that I'm working in all of the time. And in order to do that, you have to be intentional with relationships of people that you are working with, and be able to cast vision and give clear runway for those people to run. And then there are other hobbies. Like personally, I will share, I'm working on music. And in order for me to prioritize music during the week and do that diligently and do that like a job, I've got to set aside time for that. And as you may know, all of us have the same amount of time in the day. We get to choose how we spend it, and we get to prioritize things in our own lives, our own business. So I guess what I wanted to say was, it's okay if you got to put something down for a little bit. You can always pick that up later. But if you haven't already gotten really focused about what it is you're doing in your business, I would encourage you to do that, because it really makes it clear how you should be spending your time versus maybe having other people help you do some things that doesn't necessarily have to be you. Anyways, I hope that helps. I'm just trying to share a little bit of things that I've learned along the way, and as I'm doing them, document them and share them with you. So if that's been helpful, let me know, and I hope to talk to you soon.